Hello guys, welcome to NFX. In this video, we will learn how to stick our points on the animated geometry. So we have our character and I just blast her sword. We are going to create our points only this character and we will scale it down. Right now it's too big. So I just scale down this model. And after this I'll take scatter node to scatter our points on this character. Okay, we have to add a convert node before the scatter because we are using a lembic file, so we have to convert this into the polygon. Our points are scattered on this object. Now I'll take merge node so we can see our points with the character. So we have our points. I'll just increase the point size so we can see properly. Right now, if I just play my timeline, so we can see our points are also changing its position. We don't want it. We want our points should be stick on its place. So how we can achieve that? We just turn on this prim num attribute and prim uvw attribute on this scatter node, and after this we will take attribute interpolate and connect this one. Okay, first of all we have to I have to take a time shift node, so we will freeze this character in any frame, like I'm freezing it on a starting frame. So our points is generating on the first frame and our points is not moving. The second input we will connect this in the convert node. If I see my points with the character now, if now I see my points with the character, the point should be stick on its place. As you can see, points are not moving now. They maintain their position. Yeah, this is how we can stick our points on the animated character or object. We have our second option also to transform the points with the animated character. I'll take another scatter node here, and now I'll take a point deform node, and I'll connect the second input in the time shift node and the third one with our animated character, and this will work same as the attribute point interpolate. Our point will stick on its place. As you can see, points maintaining our positions. So that's it for the video. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.